Canon Pixma G2012 all-in-one ink tank color printer, black. Printer type, ink tank. Functionality, all-in-one, print, scan, copy. Printer output, color. Connectivity, USB display, LCD, 1.2-inch segment mono. Compatibility, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows XP, and Windows Vista. This printer is not compatible with Mac OS. This printer comes with 2 extra bottles of GI790 ink, black, in the box, in addition to 1 each of cyan, yellow, magenta and black. Pages per minute 8.8 pages, black and white, 5 pages, color, cost per page 8 paise, black and white, 21 paise, color, as per ISO standards. Ideal usage, home and small office, regular heavy usage, more than 300 pages per month. Page size supported 4.0 x 6.0 till A4 letter legal A5 B5 duplex print, manual print resolution 4800 x 1200. Compatible ink bottle, GI790, black, GI790, cyan, magenta, yellow. Warranty 1 year from the date of purchase. Avail free installation on this model from Canon. Contact brand customer care on 1800 3366 1800 208 3366 timings 8:30 a.m. 5:30 p.m. post receipt of product to book and schedule free installation and support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.